Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Pendleton here. I know last week I posted several links to Dojo and to my teacher website on the district webpage telling you there were some videos that show you how to write numbers. I posted our favorite Go Noodle math videos like the addition facts and subtraction facts practice. And I also shared some lessons, some video links to YouTube lessons on how to solve two-digit addition facts. I also posted my own videos on my own teacher page using dominoes to practice math skills. But today I'm going to actually upload my own video for solving two-digit addition facts. And this is what we were about to start right before we were closed. Our school was closed. Okay, this is for any teachers or any parents who are watching. I'm going to show you how to solve two-digit addition facts, which are math facts where you add numbers that are two-digit numbers. That means we have a number or a digit in both the tens and the ones place. And I'll talk to you more about that in a minute. But we are doing it without regrouping. So regrouping is when you carry numbers over. If you're a parent and you're my age, you know what I'm talking about. So kids, don't really worry about these words here in parentheses yet. You need to focus on the lesson, which is solving two-digit addition facts. A two-digit number is a number that has two digits, such as 1 and 3. It's a teen number. What is this teen number called? 13. Good. We call it 13. In this number, we have a digit here, which is a 1, and we have the digit 3, which makes up the number 13. Okay, the 1 is in what we call the tens place. Okay. It's a little apostrophe there. It's kind of sloppy. Tens place. And a 3 is in what we call the ones place. And again, that's just an apostrophe. Okay, so 13 is 110 plus 3 ones, and that is 13. And this little strategy works for any teen number. For example, the number 14, we have 1 is our digit in the tens place. And what is the digit in the ones place? 4. You've got it. Okay, so 14 would be the same thing as saying 110 and 4 ones. 15 would be 110 and 5 ones. Okay? When you have any number with two digits, you have a number that has both a digit in the tens place and the ones place. Okay, these numbers are sometimes in the 20s, such as 25, or in the 30s, like 34. You could even have numbers like 65, 75, 88, 92, okay, 99. And 99 is the largest two-digit number that you can have, because what comes after 99 if you're counting by ones? 97, 98, 99, 100. 100 is not a two-digit number. 100 would be a three-digit number, because now we have three places. You have your ones place, your tens place, and then you would have a hundreds place, okay? So we're actually not going to do three-digit numbers. I'm going to show you how to solve two-digit addition facts. So we're just going to stick to small and simple two-digit numbers, okay? And of course, there's more than one math strategy that you can use to solve two-digit addition facts. You can add using a number grid, which I will show you in a future math lesson video. You can use a number line. There's a strategy called starting at the larger number and counting up. You can do it the way I'm about to show you, which is what I like to call the old school strategy. Parents, if you're watching this with your child, this is the strategy I like to teach first. Our everyday math book does not teach this strategy. I call it the old school strategy, and I teach it before all the other ones because this is the way that I learned it in school, and most of you parents probably learned it this way in school. So this is the way that you're going to be most familiar with when you're helping your child. So that's why I'm showing you the old school strategy first, okay, for solving 2-digit addition facts. All right, so let's say I had a 2-digit number like 22. Okay, we have a 2 in the tens place and a 2 in the ones place. And I'm going to add that to the 2-digit number 43. Okay, I'm going to draw a line because I'm setting up my problem up and down like this. So there's no equal sign. Instead, you just have the line. Okay, so to solve this 2-digit addition fact, 22 plus 43, you are just going to add each of the columns, starting with the smallest column of numbers, okay? So if we know, we'll say T is for tens place. This is our tens place. And over here is our ones place. If you can visualize an imaginary line, like a wall separating the two columns, I almost like to think of them as racing lanes. When you have race cars that are driving, they might have lanes on the track. Okay, this is our ones lane or our ones column. Oops, and this would be our tens. So anytime that you use the old school strategy for solving 2-digit addition facts, you always start with the ones first. Say that with me. Start with the ones first, the ones column or the ones lane. Okay, so we are going to add up our ones. What's 2 plus 3? 5. You've got it. So the sum 2 plus 3 is 5. I'm going to write my answer right here, staying right in line with the other numbers, right in my ones column. Okay, so the sum of my ones column is 5. Now I have to solve for the sum of my tens column. In my tens column, I have 2 plus 4. What is the sum of 2 plus 4? Correct, 6. So I added up the digits in my ones column, digits in my tens column, and now I have a final answer. I'm done. So the whole sum of 22 plus 43 is 65. And that is how you use the old school math strategy to solve 2-digit addition facts. Okay, now I'm going to have you try the next one with me. Again, we're using what I call the old school strategy. I don't know why, but today I'm liking these numbers with the same digit in the tens and the ones. Okay, so I'm going to use 44. Why not just add to 44? All right, so we're going to walk through this one together. This is the we do part of the lesson. If you're with somebody at home or if you're by yourself, tell me or tell yourself out loud or tell someone close to you, what do I do first? Where do I start for 44 plus 44? Okay, I'm going to start with one of my columns, but is it the tens column or the ones column? Ones, good. If you're not sure, the ones are always on the right, okay? Another way to think of it is right is right. Right is right. So you're going to start with the right side, which is my ones column. Really sloppy O there. Okay, so let's add up the numbers to find the sum of the ones column. 4 plus 4. What is the sum? And if you're writing this and you need to stop or pause the video so you have a chance to write down the problem and the sum of the ones column, please feel free to pause the video and just hit play when you're ready. Okay, the sum 4 plus 4 in my ones column is 8. I'm going to write my answer right here directly underneath the line, staying under the 4 and the 4. I make sure my number is in line with the numbers I'm adding. Okay, so all my ones place is lined up nice and neat. Now we have to go over and add the numbers or the digits in the tens place. Okay, here we have a 4 and then, oh, another 4. What is 4 plus 4? 8 again, you've got it. So the sum of 44 plus 44 is 88. If you did a great job following along and solving that 2-digit addition fact with your teacher, kiss your brain or give yourselves a pat on the back. I'm going to have you try one more on your own. What is 63 plus 15? Pause the video. See if you can solve the problem using pencil, paper, marker, whatever you have at home. If you have a whiteboard like I just got, then you can use your whiteboard. And when you're ready to see the answer, just hit play to continue. Okay, we are ready to solve 63 plus 15. So to solve, I start by adding the digits in my ones place. 3 plus 5. You can always draw little dots to help you. 3 plus 5 is 8. That's the answer for my ones column. Then I hop over here to my tens lane or my tens column, and I add 6 plus 1 and get 7 in my tens place. So the answer is 78. 63 plus 15 is 78. So if you solve that on your own, all by yourself, then kiss your brain, give yourself a pat on the back, a hug, and a round of applause. You did it. You just learned how to use the old school strategy for solving 2-digit addition facts without regrouping. One of my next videos, I will show you how to solve using the old school strategy with something called regrouping. Okay, I will also show you other strategies besides old school that we can use to help us solve 2-digit addition facts. Again, as always, thank you for tuning in and continuing to work hard on your learning and your school stuff while you're at home. And I hope you're all healthy and safe. I love you and I miss you. Bye.